In this video, I will show you how to uninstall any software or program on your Windows system quickly and easily. Let's get started. Click on the search bar in the taskbar. Type Control Panel and open it from the search results. In the Control Panel, find and click on Program and Features. This section let you manage all installed program on your system. Once inside, you will see a complete list of every program currently installed on your system. Locate the software you want to uninstall from the list. Right click on it and select Uninstall. After completing the process, you will notice that the software has disappeared from the list. This means it has been successfully uninstalled. And that's it, guys. That's how you can uninstall different types of different softwares. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such guides.